Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Blue Owl Capital Corporation Tubuck II, an equity commitment vehicle, just filed an 8K detailing their annual meeting results, and I am seeing a clear indication of shareholder confidence in their directors and auditor. Quick note, this is not financial advice. Just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company held its shareholder meeting and voted on key matters, and the results are pretty clear-cut. This filing is all about what happened at Blue Owl Capital Corporation, this annual meeting of shareholders held on the 25th of June 2026. Think of it as a report card on how the shareholders felt about the company's leadership and direction. Companies have to file this kind of report to let everyone know the official outcomes of shareholder votes. So, the first big item on the agenda was electing members to the board of directors. These are the folks who make the big decisions for the company. Shareholders voted to elect two directors, Eric Kaye and Victor Woolridge, to serve for a term that will end at the 2029 annual meeting. This means the shareholders are giving a thumbs up for these individuals to continue guiding the company for the next few years. Now let's look at the numbers for these director elections. For Eric Kaye, a whopping 26,944,569 votes were cast in favour. Only 613,961 voted against him. There were also 1170668 abstentions. What is really interesting here are the broken non-votes, which were 302300896. These are shares held by brokers in a street name that the broker did not vote on because they did not have specific instructions from the beneficial owner. The overwhelming for votes compared to against votes clearly show that the majority of shareholders who voted directly wanted Eric Kaye to stay on the board. Victor Woolridge saw similar strong support. He received 27,029,602 votes in favour, with 630,414 votes against. Abstentions were 1,069,182, and again, broker non-votes were 302300896. Just like with Eric Kaye, the numbers indicate a strong mandate from the shareholders for Victor Woolridge to continue his role. This high level of support for director re-elections is generally a positive sign. It suggests that shareholders are comfortable with the current leadership and believe they are steering the company in the right direction. The second major item was ratifying the appointment of KPMG LLP as the company's independent auditor for the fiscal year ending the 31st of December 2026. Think of auditors as the financial referees for a company. They check the books to make sure everything is accurate and follows the rules. It is important for shareholders to approve who these auditors are, ensuring a layer of accountability. And the vote here was also overwhelmingly positive. A massive 57,788,569 votes were cast in favour of ratifying KPMG. Only 406,378 voted against it, and 765,147 abstained. Notably, there were no broken non-votes reported for this particular item. This result shows that shareholders have high confidence in KPMG's ability to provide an independent and accurate assessment of the company's financial health. For a publicly traded company, having a respected accounting firm like KPMG on board lends credibility to its financial reporting. Finally, the report is signed off by Jonathan Lamb, who holds the titles of Chief Financial Officer and Chief Operating Officer. This is standard procedure to confirm that the company is officially filing this report. The date of the filing is the 26th of June 2026, which is one day after the shareholder meeting, allowing the company time to compile and report the results. Looking at these results, what is the story? It is a picture of shareholder alignment and confidence. Both director re-elections and the auditor ratification passed with flying colours. This suggests that for Blue Owl Capital Corporation too, the shareholders are generally happy with the current state of affairs. They are expressing faith in the people running the company and the professionals who are verifying its financial data. This isn't a filing with new financial performance numbers or dramatic strategic shifts, but rather a confirmation of stability and approval of the current structure. It is the kind of report that might fly under the radar for many, but it is crucial for understanding the quiet confidence shareholders have in the company's leadership and oversight. The overwhelming approval for directors and the auditor suggests a stable environment, which is often a prerequisite for future growth initiatives. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded, like, comment, subscribe, and join our Discord linked in the description.